Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the texture quality setting in Mouse PI for Hire. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, navigate to the graphics section. Scroll down a bit and once here, look for the texture quality. Here you can change it between the level of low, medium or high. Once you make a choice, press apply. Only after applying, you can close the menu. Do so in that way, because otherwise your changes may not be saved. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe, comment and like.